Today, I would like to discuss about data types in digital computers. In general, we know that the data in digital computers are represented in the form of binary numbers. In the form of binary numbers. We know that the binary numbers are only two, that are 0 and 1 actually. The data in the digital computers is actually stored either in the memory or within the registers. So the digital systems has the memory unit as well as the registers. We know that the registers is made up of the group of flip-flops. The flip-flop is a sequential circuit which is able to store only one bit of information. So hence the binary can also has only two bits, either 1 or 0 represented. At always the data is represented in binary as the combination of ones and zeros. Generally, the data types in digital systems are categorized into the three categories. Those are numerical data, numerical. The second one is the alphabets, that means A to Z. And the third one is the some special symbols which are used for the some special purpose or to represent some specific operations. Before we are going to discussing about the data types in detail, the first of all I would like to represent the numerical data. So we know that the numerical data means these are the numbers or the digits which are used for the processing. That means here the symbols are the used in the processing. So to represent the numerical data, there are several methods are there. The numerical data is represented in several systems or in several ways. The first one is the binary number system. The second one is the octal. The third one is the decimal. The fourth one is the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. We represent the numerical data in any one of the system. So we know that the binary system can have only zeros and ones, and in general we are using the decimal number system. The decimal number system has the digits 0 to 9, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 and something up to 9 to represent any quantity by the combination of these symbols. Actually, to start my discussion about the numerical data representation, I would like to represent some characteristics or features of the number systems. So, first characteristic or first feature is one base or radix. Each and every number system that may be either binary, octal, or anything else has the base or radix. This base or radix is represented with the small r letter, which, which represents the number of unique symbols used to represent certain quantity. So let us consider a binary number system. Actually, it has only the two symbols, not the digits, two symbols, 0 and 1, to represent certain quantity. For example, I am going to be write 12 in decimal number system. Whenever we are going to write certain digits or certain quantity in digital computers, we are also represents its base or radix. That means 12. That equal to this one. So this is in the binary number system. Okay, 12 actually what we are going to be used, and this is in binary actually. So there is only two symbols to represent any quantity. Suppose in the same way decimal actually we are using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What actually the symbol 7 represents? The symbol 7 represents certain quantity such as 7 books, 7 pens, 7 students, or like that. So this is only a symbol to represent certain quantity. So here how many symbols? The totally 10 symbols. In binary system, how many symbols? Just two symbols. In the same way, the octal number system, the octal number system has 8 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 8 symbols. In the same way, the hexadecimal number system has totally the 16 symbols that are 0 to 9. Here 10 symbols are there, and A, B, C, D, E, F. Here 6 symbols are there. So by combining these two, there are totally 16 symbols. So the number of symbols used in any number system to represent the quantity is known as its base or radix. Especially come to here because we are well versed about the, or we have good knowledge about the decimal number system, because from childhood onwards we are using this one, as well as somewhat octal numbers and binary numbers, because the symbols we are well versed. But come to the hexadecimal, actually the A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14, and F represents 15. Totally 0 to 9 and A to F, totally 16 symbols are there. So depending on this characteristic, only the number systems are well defined.